You have the right to be the most successful person. Not more, not less. The most successful planet. The most successful person on this planet. Everyone has the right. If you think that I don't have that, मेरे अंदर नहीं है वो, then you have already lost the. कोई हो ना हो, मैं तो हूँ. I can be the number one person. I can be the most successful person in this planet. You have to believe that every day. Every day you have to say to your body, to your mind, to your soul that I am the most successful person. I am the most. I deserve it. Nobody, if not more than anyone else, I am also not less from anyone in deserving the most successful person. Not from anyone else. I deserve it. I am planning for it and I'll get it. मुझे हक है. अगर कोई और दूसरा बन सकता है तो मैं भी बन सकता हूँ. किसी और से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा मगर किसी से कम भी नहीं है. मुझे हक सक्सेसफुल हो, ये होना ही चाहिए. सबके अंदर होना चाहिए. बहुत बार उसके many times you will get there but many times you not, and when you not achieve what you have thought, then this is the only thought that will keep you going कि अगर वो कर सकते तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता. If he, she, any X person who is successful, who has achieved a lot, if he has achieved that, then it is possible that you can also achieve. Not that, मतलब whatever your goal is, तुम जो भी तुम चाहते हो तुम कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो हो सकता है. And it is possible because you have dreamed it and you are capable of it. You have to keep saying to you, फुल बन सकता हूँ, मैं कामयाब हूँ, मैं केपेबल हूँ और मैं कर सकता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ, there is nothing more in anyone else from me that he is successful and I am not. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर वो सक्सेसफुल है तो मैं भी हो सकता हूँ. If he is doing something, I can also do it. If I have to make some changes in my personality, my body language, my communication, I'll do it. That's not a problem. The possibilities are unlimited. Nothing is impossible. If it is done, then it is possible. If it is being done, if someone has achieved it, then it is possible. Why to think less? Why? If everybody is doing, then I can also do it. I am not less in capabilities from any person. It's just that I do not have the practice it. I do not have the mindset of it. मेरे पास वो अभी सोच नहीं है कि मैं वो ऐसा बन सकता हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ कि यही है लाइफ, ऐसी ही लाइफ चलती है, सबकी नॉर्मल ऐसी लाइफ है तो मेरी भी ऐसी. तो ये लाइफ इसी थॉट से अलग थॉट लाना है मुझे. Something different from this thought. Just change a flip in that mindset and I'll get there. Not stopping for anything less. If he's living that kind of life, why can't I? If any person X is living that kind of life, then I also deserve it. So why can't I live that kind of life? I have all the capabilities and all the possibilities are open for me. I can do anything I want and I'll do it. That should be the thought every day you get up, and that should be told to your mind every day. Thank you.